should be fine though. Should be able to. Channel. Word. Wait, can you guys hear me? You guys can't fucking hear me. Why can't you guys hear me actually? Hello? Long next time. So baby boy set me free. set me free. Alone next to me. Set me free. That's a devious low right now. Well, first stop of the week. That's just. You belong next to me. Baby boy, set me free. You belong next to me. Yo. Yo, my bad. I ain't gonna lie. I didn't even wake up this time. Okay, just woke up right now. Like, damn, like, go cool. Yeah, I didn't even woke up this time. So good. That's pretty. What's the word though? You wanna go now or not? Well, I technically did just got stopped out today for trading, so we could Loki go now. I'm gonna just Loki stay here for a little bit, see what's popping here, and then we'll Loki go. Okay. Alright, yo. Alright, mouse. Alright, y'all, here. Alright. Hey, baby boy, set me free. That you belong next to me. Um, I'm like really questioning why this doesn't let me put up any volume. Oh, there is volume. Let's go. Oh, yo, what's good, Pablo? Hey, ¿qué más, Pablo? ¿Qué más, cómo? Lastimosamente acabamos de tomar la primera pérdida del día. Y de la semana, técnicamente. A ver, okay. Vamos a ver. Let me see what happened over here real quick. We are pretty much shooting down pretty crazy right now. All right. Didn't close about that whatsoever. This did just tap into this. I would say. We're currently at 56.89. Hold on. 56.89. This would be good. We're currently 56.87. It's like right above there. Okay. $56.78. Alright, so I will have to say we're currently hitting election day's lows. I mean, that is so okay. I'm gonna go a little bit through my bias for the day. Hold on. Some over here still have my audio on the screen. All right, so going a little bit through today's bias for the day was pretty much, we know coming into coming in from last weekend, we had London slow right below, coming and trading right into a fair value gap made on elections day, and right after that, after tapping onto that fair value gap, we decided to rally up all the way after London ended. We ended up right above news highs from Friday, and is this Friday? I think this is Friday. From Friday, yeah, from Friday's news, which we took again. So that made a new high and that made a low for today's session. So for after the weekend, we know that markets were going pretty low with the tariffs and everything. We know that as soon as market opened this weekend, after this weekend we had a pretty deep, what's this? Was that a 52 points dump immediately, like right after? So that was like we opened and the first 2 minutes were a 50-point dump, retesting back into an order block from elections day, which would be this order block that I have right here, this big golden order color gap that you guys see over here. And that was tapped into again, broke out of again. That for us was the 5-minute low that we made over here, internal low, was tapping into a 5-minute, pretty much, what's that? That's grabbing a low from Friday's. That's an internal low from Friday's rally on London's high, making us come and sweep this liquidity right down here in as soon as market opens from London's low to make Asia's low for today. That also tapping into pretty much I would say a 15-minute fair value gap from Friday's London session, which we have right here. If we go to 15-minute, we see that we have right here this 15-minute bullish order flow right here, which was perfectly tapped into. That was the reversion that I paper traded yesterday. We had a pretty solid trade yesterday, which we took on a 1-minute. We came over here and this was pretty much the low that we took yesterday, the trade that I showed you guys yesterday on paper trade. Right after market open, we shed the bag, dump, we keep dumping, retest right onto that last fair value gap, and we see that we don't break. We break a structure. That's where I took my trade and went down to 15-minute fair value gap from London to fully take onto that. We go back to the 15-minute. We also have been pretty close to London's low, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna want to take that liquidity. Today, for some reason, I did come in looking for longs, even though we hadn't really taken London's low, which was kind of my problem today, because that was part of my reasoning for today. We made an SMT from Asia's low, right on New York's open. We take Asia's low, we retake and make a triple low on ES right after opening, and then once again we had that really strong move where we took this high, we took that high. There was good momentum on the 5-minute. I entered the trade, put my stop right around this low. I'm pretty sure. I think it was right under this low. Was it in the 1-minute? I don't think it was in the 1 minute. I think it was in the 5-minute. I think around put my stop lot like right under this low, and then well, we just got stopped out. But I mean, there isn't really much I can say from this. I guess it's just tariffs are going crazy. Tariffs are really making the market shit the bag for the past like 2 weeks. And April coming up is not gonna be an easy month either. April coming up is gonna be a big tariff dropping too. So that's gonna have a lot to do, and it's gonna have a lot affecting the market. But we'll see what we can do throughout this month. I am thinking we're gonna take London slow, potentially rally up, or just keep on shitting the bag. But I'm gonna give it a little bit, see what we can do over here. All right, I'm gonna jump a little more into how I get my daily bias, as I was saying on that other story, which, damn, this completely just shit the bag. Even though I don't mind the loss today, simply because we've had quite a good week. Last week was pretty good, full of greens, so I don't mind this red today. It's kind of a learning experience right now because at the end of the day, my strategy is not 100% win rate. We have this SMT right here. SMT taking near session. This is the reason why I take this. We have Asia's low right here, actually. This is Asia's low. Taken by New York session, right? We keep on rallying up. And then we shit the bag and get stopped out. Alright. I guess we'll wait to see if there's anything happening right after we take London slow, because damn, bro, this is actually crazy. Alright, this is alright. We took and trade on, right under London's low. Let's see what we can do right now. If we can break, hold on. Say after taking this in a 15-minute, technically. Ooh, I didn't check this. Oh, damn. Okay, we don't want to panic, but if we continue to trade right under, if we continue to trade right under this could potentially just be a fail SMT from Thursdays and Friday last week. that telling us that we're, yeah, look at this. Okay, so we're pretty much making an SM, we made a fail SMT from Thursday and Friday's low, and then we leave this huge gap right here. We leave this gap right here in a 1 hour that gets tapped into an Asia session, making Asia's high, and that rallies completely down, taking this low, makes some resistance, and now it's taking London's low. Now either we rally out, either we go on a little bit of longs for a little bit, we rally for a little bit, or we probably will continue to go down on some with, this is what I'm talking about. So this is elections week. If you guys are seeing this right here, this is pretty much elections week and month. Starting from here, from September, we see that we make that first low, make that test into this fair value gap, and then we rally up. This is pretty much our elections day. We have our breakup structure right here. We have this fair value gap left behind right on elections day, opening, and that's pretty much where we're tapping into right now. So we either right now, due to tariffs, look, I'm gonna just look for shorts. I'm gonna assume like constantly for the next 2 weeks, probably now that I'm thinking about it, but we could have a little bit of a rejection here just to try and like see what happens. If not, this could well just be another shit in the bag. Wow, that was currently at 56.71. One thing that I have to say, this is pretty much, oh wow. This would pretty much be I'm gonna explain a little bit of what I'm doing here. I'm waiting for a little bit of impulse back up to the upside, which is what I'm trying to get right here in this trade, mini trade that I took, just to like get back on some capitalizing back some profits. We could potentially just close right now, just to like we're gonna close it there just because we see that the momentum we already lost it. So we're not gonna lose any profits itself. Right there is how much we lost for the day. Is the 450 that we had taken earlier on. But this was pretty much an attempt to getting profits back, going back to break even right back into this fair value gap. We'll see if we could potentially do it. But off of that, that was our last trade for the day. I'm not really gonna take anything else for the day. That's gonna be pretty much my end for today. Today was a loss. Not really much anything I can do about it. I'm gonna just get out and back tomorrow. There's pretty much the move that I was trying to look for, which kind of sucks because I closed that, but wow, that really sucks. I think it's just genuinely not my day. I'm just gonna get out for the day, trade tomorrow, and see what tomorrow has for me, which is not bad. I mean, if tomorrow we have a green day, we'll just make profits back that we lost today, but this really pisses me off right here. Like, come on, bro. A non-day, there isn't really a lot going on. And look, I'm gonna show you guys something. This is how you will know that there isn't a lot going on for the day. To know when you guys want to keep trading and not. New York session opened up what? Like right here. Right here. This is what New York has been doing since. There's no guidance in what the market wants to do right now. If anything, he pretty much came back into Asia's low, keep dumping and shitting the bag. So there isn't a lot of like what's gonna happen here. So I would say you'll just stay out of the market for the day and save profits for another day. But yeah. But yeah, I mean, thank you guys for joining in. I try to get in a little earlier, tomorrow. Today was pretty much just trying to set up this OBS and how to like set up both screens to be like well showing everything well for the stream. So we'll see what tomorrow has for us itself. All right. All right. Well,